In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reset YouTube feed, PC. Let's begin. So once you've opened up YouTube within your browser, you're going to go to the left side and look for something which says History. After selecting History, head over to the right side and you're going to have three options: Clear all watch history, Pause watch history, and Manage all history. Select that one. Head over to the middle and you're going to see something which says Delete, and there's going to be a drop-down option. Select it and then choose Delete all time. And it's going to ask you to confirm what you would like to delete. Go to the bottom and choose Delete. Now, if you don't want YouTube to save your YouTube history, then what you want to do is head over to the top and then choose Saving your YouTube history. And it's going to be left on automatically. So head over to the right and select Turn Off. Then choose Pause. So there you go. This is how you can start your YouTube feed on a clean slate on PC. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.